and welcome back to another video with Glameres Gems. My name is Ebony, and today in this video we're going to be doing a get ready with me featuring SHEIN, and it's my first one, so I'm super excited to share with y'all how I did my makeup, hair, and also how I'm styling this outfit. So I hope that you all will enjoy the video, and if you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, that way you never miss a new upload. And if you are returning, welcome back to my beautiful gems. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and gather up the girls and get into this get ready with me. So just keep on watching. Makeup look, I'm just gonna do a simple blue mild smoky eye, if you will, using a Profusion palette that I purchased from Walmart, and I believe it was like $5, but I love it because the blue that's gonna be on my lid, it's called Bermuda, so I had to support, of course. But anyhow, I want y'all to just enjoy the video and just seeing how I did this look. And I will have all of the products used in the video listed in my description box, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, enjoy the video. a video on this unit if you all are interested, and I'll make sure to link that in the description box below. Okay, so I have this 2-piece set that I purchased from SHEIN. I recently did a haul with all of the items that I purchased. However, this one came in a separate package, so I wanted to show you all how I styled it. But anyhow, it's a 2-piece blue set, and I have it in a size 1X. It was very important for me to wear it for y'all without shapewear. But I would just say to wear some control top panties just to look a little bit more seamless. And I know that it does appear that I'm going somewhere, but I wasn't going anywhere, y'all. I just wanted to show you this outfit and how I styled it. So yeah, again, I have it in a size 1X, and I just paired it with some plush chunky heeled mules that I also purchased from SHEIN with a crossbody bag and some cute earrings. So yeah, I hope that you all enjoy this get ready with me outfit of the day. Leave comments down below letting me know what your thoughts were on this outfit, how you might have styled it, and definitely don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And until next time, I will see you gems in the next video. Bye.